Lobster salad. Who says dieting is dull?
Hi, it's Jan Diatri, and today we're making salad sensational. This is clean eating the Red Mountain way.
You could call it a diet delicacy, lobster salad that's delicious and nutritious. Here are your ingredients. Fresh cooked lobster, about 3½ ounces. A lettuce of your choice, like bib lettuce, the perfect edible bowl for your lobster salad. A few cherry or grape tomatoes, some green onions, a sweet yellow onion, a lemon, a little garlic powder, salt, pepper, and if you like, a pinch of lemon pepper. Check the ingredients though to make sure it doesn't have sugar or starch. Fresh tarragon gives this salad a rich, fresh taste. And finally, a 0-calorie, 0-carb balsamic vinaigrette, and maybe a little 0-calorie gluten-free Thousand Island if you want some dressing for your salad. So let's get cooking.
Now, one of the best ways to cook lobster is to steam it. Steaming is a real clean eating method. It's why steam ovens have become so popular. Steaming preserves the color, fiber, and flavor of vegetables. It retains the vitamins and the minerals, and it lowers cholesterol, especially if you're cooking meat. It'll remove that fat. But for lobster, steaming is the way to go.
When the lobster is cooked, just cut it into bite-sized pieces. With 28 grams of protein per cup, lobster is a protein powerhouse. It's also low in fat and high in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. And even more good news, it increases bone density. Chop enough sweet yellow onion for 2 tablespoons, enough green onion for 1 tablespoon, and you'll need 1 tablespoon of tarragon, something the French call the king of herbs, and I can see why. The oils in tarragon trigger the body's natural digestive juices, making it an excellent digestive aid, and it's loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. And you'll squeeze enough lemon juice for 2 tablespoons. Did you know that 1 lemon provides about 31 milligrams of vitamin C? And it's a delicious way to add flavor without adding calories. Once you have your onion, tarragon, lemon juice, green onion, 2 tablespoons of balsamic, and lobster portioned, they're ready for the skillet. Coat the pan with a 0-calorie cooking spray. Then sauté the lobster, lemon juice, onion, balsamic, green onion, and tarragon, cooking just until the onions have softened. Sprinkle with about a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, and your lobster salad is done. Plate the lettuce, and then spoon the lobster mix right over the leaves. For color, add a few tomatoes and garnish with green onion if you like. Lobster salad, this week's Red Mountain diet delicacy.
For more great recipes for clean eating the Red Mountain way, visit redmountainweightloss.com.